Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to sell Bitcoin or crypto on the Robinhood app. Whether you're a beginner or someone who has been using Robinhood for a while, this guide will help you complete the process step by step. The first thing you'll need is the Robinhood app. If you don't already have it, you can download it from your device's app store. There's also a link in the description where you can sign up and create an account. Once you've set up your account and logged in, you're ready to start. Robinhood allows you to buy and hold crypto, but you can also send crypto from another wallet into your Robinhood account. For this example, I'll be selling some USDC, which is a stablecoin equivalent to $1. This will make it easier to show you the process and explain any fees that might apply. You can as low sell Bitcoin using the same steps that I am going to show you in this video. If you already have crypto in your Robinhood wallet, you're all set. If you're transferring crypto from another wallet, you can scroll down to find the Receive option in your selected cryptocurrencies menu. This will show you the wallet address where you can send your crypto. Note that Robinhood may block screen sharing for this feature, so the process won't be visible in this video, but it's straightforward. Once the transfer is complete, the crypto will appear in your Robinhood balance. Now, let's sell the crypto. In my case, I have $1 USDC in my account, which equals $1. To begin, I'll tap on USDC to open its menu. From here, I'll tap the Sell button at the bottom of the screen. Next, I'll type in the amount I want to sell. In this example, I'm selling $1. Once I've entered the amount, I'll tap Review. On the next screen, Robinhood will show me the order details, including the amount I'm selling and any applicable fees. For USDC, there are no fees for selling, which is convenient. If you're selling a different cryptocurrency, the app will let you know if there are fees involved. After reviewing the details, I'll swipe up to submit the order. That's it. The sale is complete. The USDC has been sold and the funds have been added to my buying power. You can see that my buying power has increased by the amount I sold. For example, if my buying power was $10 before, it is now $11. From here, you can decide what to do with the funds. You can use them to buy stocks, other cryptocurrencies, or assets on Robinhood. If you'd prefer to withdraw the money, you can transfer it to your linked bank account. The process for transferring money to your bank is also simple and can be done directly through the app. That's all there is to selling crypto on Robinhood. It's a simple and user-friendly process, whether you're selling a stablecoin like USDC or another cryptocurrency. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.